Imagine owning a piece of tomorrow today for less than the cost of your next iPhone. Welcome to Haven Garden Estate by Success Haven Homes, where peace meets potentials and opportunities just a turn away. Tucked in the serene environment of Odagwa River State, this estate gives more than land. It offers access. Just a few minutes drive from the Shell Company, a 10 minutes drive from Choco Choco Junction, and a 30 minutes drive from the Gruta Market, and then a 35 minutes drive from the Salvation Ministry permanent site. Whether you're building or investing, you are not far from growth, safety, and convenience. With a deed of conveyance and a survey plan, your investment is safe, verified, and ready for development. Whether you're buying or investing, Haven Garden Estate is your choice. Call Success Haven Homes today and secure yourself an amazing plot. Remember, a big move always starts with the land.